If your PowerPoints are boring, try these cool animations and transitions techniques in your presentations to make slides amazing. I am using blueberries and raspberries as an example. First step is to look for a PNG image online. I have taken PNG images of blueberry and raspberry. Now paste these on your blank slide. Now we have to make numerous copies of both fruits. Rotate their positions and arrange them on the slide and outside the slide. Now we are going to group them all together using Ctrl+G. Now paste one more piece of blueberry and raspberry again, and this time we have to increase their sizes. Now click on Format Picture of Blueberry, and in Artistic Effects choose Blur option. Now create duplicates of blueberry and rotate their positions. Put it on slide and outside slide. Now we do the same for raspberry. Now we are going to group these larger pieces together using Ctrl+G. Now add text on the slide. Click on Insert Text box and add text. Click on Shape Format of Text and select Word Art Styles as shown. Now highlight text and click on Shape Format of Text and select Word Art Styles as shown. Now click on First Slide and select Duplicate. On the second slide, move the small and large groups upwards and adjust the title. Add text on the second slide. Now duplicate the second slide. On the third slide, remove the small and large groups and only keep blueberry text. Now copy one blueberry without blur and paste it on slide. Also add small blueberries with blur on slide. Now we are going to group all small pieces together using Ctrl+G. Click on any small blueberry and format picture. In Shadow Presets, select Outer and choose the option as shown. Now we are going to duplicate the third slide. Remove the blueberries images and text and replace it with raspberry images and text. Follow the same procedure of third slide. Now using Shift key, select all slides and go to Transitions tab. Click on Morph Transition and change the duration to 1.50. Untick mouse click and in After select 1. On the third slide and fourth slide, change the Morph Transition Effect options for text to characters. On third slide, select Large Blueberry Image and click on Animations tab, choose Fly In option and select Start with Previous. Use the same animations for Raspberry Large Image. Now on first slide, click on Slideshow. Transitions and animations in PowerPoint are the best way to show your presentations. If you really like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. It keeps me motivated. See you in the next video.